Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain a very interesting topic, something that you are all going to love. So basically, I'm going to share a very high probability swing trading strategy. So if you stay till the end, I will be teaching you the entire strategy of how to select the stock, how to enter, how to trade this strategy, and how to exit. So it's going to be very useful for you. So I hope you would stay till the end. Now before you go, I want you to quickly subscribe to my channel because I make informative videos about the stock market, trading, finance, and which will help you make money. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It will be very useful for you. So friends, that's about it. Let's get started with today's video. Okay, let me show you how it's done. Okay, so what we have here is the 200-day moving average, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the 200-day moving average, and I'm going to show the 20-day exponential moving average. Okay, we can keep it at 20 or 21 or 13. If we keep it at 21 or 20, it's going to be quite smooth. So you get very less false signals when the number of days are higher. Okay, so especially since this is a exponential moving average. So we have one exponential moving average, and we have to have one more MACD. The name of this trading system is called the impulse trading system. Okay, so this is called the impulse trading system because it's based on momentum, and the time frame for this strategy is 1 hour. Okay, you have to shift to 1 hour. Even though you have selected the stock in the daily time frame, you shift to 1 hour. Now what you do is you wait for a crossover in the MACD and a price crossover on the exponential moving average. Let me show you how that works. So let's go back to a point over here. Okay, now you see that MACD is crossing over at this point. Okay, it's about what time is it? It's 1:15, 2:15, somewhere here. MACD has crossed over, but the price has still not crossed over at 1:15 or 2:15. What time did the price cross over? At 9:15 the next day. Okay, so at this point it gives you an opportunity to buy the stock. Okay, so what you do is once the price crosses over the exponential moving average, you buy the stock because there's also a crossover in MACD. Now the main thing about the strategy is that both the moving average and the MACD should be moving in the same direction. Like for example, over here, if you see over here, an MACD is coming down, but the moving average is not coming down. The direction of moving average is flat, so you will not buy at this time. Okay, so that is rule number 1. And always look for an MACD crossover from the bottom. See, if you look for an MACD crossover somewhere in between, it may not work. Okay, it might work for the short term, but not for a full swing. So for a full swing, you'll have to wait for a bottom crossover in the MACD and the same direction of the stock. See, over here you see the crossover happen. Even if you had bought it at this price, you had to wait for so many days for the price to actually move forward. Even though it has happened, you have to wait. So this is based entirely on the momentum of the stock price. So get into it only at the right time. That is what gives you the high probability ratio when it comes to trading in the trading this strategy. Okay, so now let's take an example over here. It's quite in the bottom. It's below the center line of MACD. Every time you notice there is the center line in MACD, once MACD crosses over the central line, it becomes very bullish. Okay, so that is also one more tip you can add to this list. So how do you buy? Okay, so the crossover happens here, and the price it never closed above this moving average, right? So only over here it closed above this moving average, and at this point you buy. Okay, so you buy here at 454 and you place your stop loss at the swing low. The swing low is 446, so that's about 10 rupees of stop loss. A small risk, but it's worth taking this risk. So then what happens is the price moves higher. It goes higher. It never comes and hits that stop loss. You see how it moves. And how do you exit? You exit when the MACD crosses over again. So when the MACD crosses over again, you exit. So you see somewhere over here you should have found your exit, 481 to 483. So from how much is that? 456 to 483, 486. That's about 30 points you can make, and this would have lasted at least for about 4 days. So this is how you trade this strategy. So let's take another stock and see if we find similar opportunities. Okay, I have Bajaj Finance here. So there's so many opportunities, say this is March 2019, we can buy. All these are buying opportunities, buying time. Okay, let's look at this opportunity. Okay, so over here we see the MACD has crossed over, and we have to wait for it to come higher. 315, it's come higher. If you want, you can buy it this time itself. So where is our stop loss? Oh, it's about 100 points lower, but yeah, the Bajaj Finance is something like that, it gives you very good returns. So at 2433 you enter, and you place your stop loss at 2365, and let's see what happens. It crosses over below at 2506. Isn't that a great opportunity? So let's look at another one over here. This is at 915. So you buy it immediately because it's already crossed over. 2171 is your entry price. Your stop loss is 2035. And where do you get your exit? You get your exit at 2355. Okay, these are huge opportunities because Bajaj Finance is a fast moving, highly valued stock. Okay friends, so I think that should have helped you a lot. I think you should have been able to understand how finding opportunities work with this trading strategy. So friends, swing trading can be a very, very lucrative way to make money, make good passive income from the stock market. So if you are a working professional, or if you have a capital, if you're a housewife like me, and if you have a capital to invest in the stock market, this strategy would work very well for you. And if you want additional help when it comes to trading the stock market, I have a course called the Swing Trading Formula, and you can get in touch with me. I can teach you this entire course at a very low price. And I also provide swing calls absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay any money for that. It's totally free. It's just I'm trying to help people swing calls. This is totally free. I will add a link in the description as to where you can join to get these calls. So also, if you want to open a new demat account with the Angel Broking, they provide a very good, brokerage charges. So somewhere around 20 rupees. It's like a full service broker at the price of a discount broker. So they also provide a lot of tips, and their charting system is very good. They have a desktop software, which is a very interesting and beautiful looking software. So if you want to open a free demat account, and remember, this demat account is totally free, there are no charges for this demat account with Angel Broking, and the AMC charges are free for the first year. So it's free AMC for first year. AMC is annual maintenance charges. So if you want to open this demat account also, I will add a link in the description box. Please do use this offer and get into the stock market. It's a wonderful place to make money, and but in order for you to make money, you have to be very, very strong emotionally, because this is an emotional business. I'll tell you the truth of the business. It's an emotional business. It'll make you lose money just out of fear, and it'll make you lose money just out of greed. So it's a very tricky business, and if you want to learn how this works, please do get in touch with me. I'm available on many platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can contact me anywhere, and I'm here to help you. Alright friends, before going, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching. I will meet you soon with another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.